My name is Dr. Henry Rotich. I'm Director for Metrology and Testing at Kenya Bureau of Standards. Metrology and Testing is one of the directorates, the technical directorates at Kenya Bureau of Standards. Metrology is the science of measurements. I know we have the meteorology, the one which forecasts the weather. But what we do at Kenya Bureau of Standards is the science of measurements. We provide traceability of our national measurements to the International System of Units, the SI. We are the National Metrology Institute for Kenya at Kenya Bureau of Standards. So every country has one National Metrology Institute. And so the KEBS Metrology here is the National Metrology Institute for Kenya. So what we do in metrology is we are by law the custodian of the national measurement standards. We have, for example, mass lab, that's where you get a kilogram. We have pressure lab, we have temperature, we have acoustics, we have also photometry. We also do dosimetry, where we are measuring the radiations, the amounts of radiations that are being emitted. If you are working in an area where you are using radiation sources, for example, those working in the hospital and they are doing X-rays. So we calibrate their dosimeters so that they can be able to know how much doses they receive and interventions at the right time. Testing, what we do is one of our mandates, and our role here is to characterize the products, to determine whether the products meet the requirements. That could be for the standard. It might be also from the industry. You are doing some research and you want to know the composition of your product to see whether it meets what you are developing. So we characterize the products through a series of testing, which the products we deal with covers. We have food, we have also textile products, we have also construction materials, electrical, and so we cover a wide range of products that you can see in the market. Whatever you see in the market, we test here. If you look at international trade, we are talking about the African Continental Free Trade Area. What's our goal as the continent? It's free movement of goods. You can access any market anywhere. But there's one condition, that they must be quality products. So how do you get quality products? By testing and making sure that the systems that are manufacturing can consistently produce quality products which meets the requirements. I remember when I joined KEBS, there were only testing labs here in Nairobi. And we started, I think it was this room, the same room, although we've done some bit of modification. But I remember I used to do my analysis here in the inorganic lab. So we've grown as KEBS testing to meet the needs of the industry. As the economy is growing, the industries are growing, and so they require these services. So now we have, in total, we are having about 54 labs. We're looking at the regions. So we have in Mombasa, we have expanded to Mombasa. We have in Kisumu for the Lake region. We have in North Rift, Eldoret for the North Rift region. We've also set up labs in Nakuru, Nyeri, we have in Meru, and we've also set up small labs in the entry points to make sure that when the products are coming in or they're going out and somebody requires to test, they can test. So we have satellite labs in the major entry points. So the desire of testing is, once tested, acceptable everywhere. In research and development, we are looking at how can we get better. One of the areas that we do is to develop methods. You remember we talk about this is how we are testing, but maybe because of what is happening globally, you are gathering information or you're questioning certain things and seeing how you can improve them. So this way, we develop new methods and try them out, and then we validate them, and we can now be able to roll out to be used in the labs. And so our R&D collaborates with other scientists all over the world. I mentioned NIST in the US, the National Institute of Science and Technology in the US. I mentioned other NMIs all over the world, China. We've had some of our people here in Germany, PTB. PTB is the world leading National Metrology Institute. And so we've had our people there. One of the things is to work with them, collaboration. So remember, in metrology and testing, the key word is collaboration, and collaboration in research. We're having the International Bureau of Weights and Measures coordinating the metrology across the world. We also have the regional metrology organizations. Because metrology has grown, to have it more effective, we established the regional metrology organizations. So each continent, they have their own regional metrology organization. So in Africa, we have AfriMets. And so this brings all the countries within Africa, the national metrology institutes in Africa together, and we coordinate. And I think lucky enough, I'm the current president of AfriMets. Yeah, so I coordinate all this, have meetings. In addition, we also having as a continent, under the AU, we've come up, the AU came up with the quality infrastructure, Pan-African quality infrastructure. They set up Pan-African quality institutes. So AfriMets is one of them. We have ARSO dealing with the standards. AfriMets deals with metrology. Then we have ARSO dealing with standards. Then we have AFSEC dealing with electrotechnical standards. And then we have AFRAC, which is accreditation. So lucky enough, currently I'm also the chairman of PACI. We are supporting the AFCFTA to make sure that it is a success. So that's one of the things that Kenya and KEBS is a full member, is a member of. Of course, we know our ISO because KEBS is a member of ISO, and we participate in that one. So all these, some of the areas that we do. We are also actively involved in AEAC. Remember, within the EAC, so KEBS is also very active within the EAC to promote both standardization, conformity assessment, and also metrology. I think it's very important to have passion in what you are doing. Remain focused. Sometimes, if you want to be everything, you will be nothing. Because you want to be a butcher, you want to be a sports person, so you get distracted, but it's good to focus. It's also good to focus on solving society problems. They say the easiest thing to do is identify the problem in the society and provide a solution. So I think as Kenya Bureau of Standards, that's our focus in the labs. We want to provide solutions to the society. My name is Dr. Henry Rotich. I'm proudly KEBS.